What if I told you that one of the fastest growing industries in the world right now is happening right above people's heads, literally? Every day, homeowners, factories, offices, farms, schools, and even small local shops are trying to cut electricity bills and escape rising energy costs. And because of that, the solar industry is exploding. But here's the surprising part. Most people think you need to be an engineer or a millionaire to start a solar business. You don't. Some solar entrepreneurs begin with nothing more than basic technical knowledge, a laptop, a few supplier contacts, and the ability to help customers save money. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a solar panel installation and consulting firm from scratch, including how the business works, how much money you need, how to find customers, how to price projects, and how people are building highly profitable solar companies in today's energy market. By the end of this video, you'll understand the entire roadmap from beginner to business owner. The solar industry is no longer a future business. It's happening right now. Governments are pushing renewable energy, electricity prices continue to rise, and customers are actively searching for cheaper long-term power solutions. That creates an enormous opportunity. A solar installation and consulting firm basically helps people transition from traditional electricity to solar energy systems. Some companies focus only on installation, while others focus on consultation, system design, maintenance, permits, and energy savings analysis. The smartest businesses usually combine several of these services together. And the best part is that this business can start small and scale incredibly fast if you build trust and results. So let's start from the foundation. Before starting any business, you need to understand how the money actually flows. A solar installation company earns revenue by designing and installing solar systems for customers. These customers could be homeowners, commercial buildings, warehouses, factories, hotels, hospitals, or agricultural properties. Here's how a typical project works. A customer wants to reduce electricity costs. You analyze their energy usage, calculate how many solar panels they need, estimate installation costs, and show them how much money they could save over time. If they agree, your company installs the system and earns profit from equipment markup, installation labor, and consulting fees. Now, this industry has several different business models. Some companies only do installations. Some act as consultants and outsource the installation work. Some become solar dealers and sell systems through partnerships. And some create full-service firms that handle consultation, permits, engineering, installation, maintenance, and financing support. If you're starting from zero, consulting plus outsourced installation is often the easiest entry point because you don't need a huge technical team immediately. You can start by finding customers, planning projects, and partnering with certified installers while building your brand. As your revenue grows, you can gradually create your own in-house installation team. That's how many successful solar businesses scale in the beginning. One of the biggest myths in the solar industry is that you need years of engineering education before you can start. That's not true. You absolutely need technical understanding, but you don't necessarily need an advanced degree. What you really need is practical knowledge. You need to understand how solar panels work, how inverters function, battery storage basics, rooftop system design, electricity consumption calculations, safety standards, and local regulations. And today, learning these things is easier than ever. There are online certification programs, renewable energy courses, government training initiatives, and even free educational resources from solar manufacturers. In the beginning, your goal is not to become the world's greatest electrical engineer. Your goal is to become knowledgeable enough to confidently guide customers and manage projects professionally. Because customers care about three things more than anything else. Can you save them money? Can they trust you? And can you deliver the project correctly? That's what builds a real solar business. Now here's a mistake many beginners make. They try to serve everyone. That usually fails. The smartest move is to pick one target market first. For example, residential solar installations are often easier to enter because homeowners constantly look for lower electricity bills. These projects are smaller, faster, and easier to manage. Commercial solar projects can generate much larger profits, but they also require more technical planning, larger teams, and higher investment. Agricultural solar is another growing sector because farms use massive amounts of electricity for irrigation and equipment. You could even specialize further. Maybe you focus only on rooftop solar for homes. Maybe you focus on battery backup systems. Maybe you help businesses calculate long-term energy savings. Specialization helps you stand out in a crowded market. When customers feel that you deeply understand their exact problem, they trust you faster. And trust is everything in this industry. Now let's talk about the question almost everyone asks first. How much money do you actually need to start a solar panel installation and consulting firm? The answer depends on the model you choose. If you start as a consulting and project management company, your startup costs can be surprisingly low. You mainly need a business registration, a professional website, branding, marketing materials, design software, transportation, and supplier connections. In many cases, people begin with a modest budget and use outsourcing for technical labor. But if you want your own installation team from day one, costs increase significantly because you'll need tools, safety equipment, vehicles, trained technicians, insurance, and inventory management. The good news is that solar projects themselves can generate strong cash flow because customers often pay large project amounts upfront or through financing structures. And once you complete a few successful projects, referrals can start growing rapidly because happy customers love showing others how much they're saving on electricity bills. That's where this business becomes powerful. You're not just selling solar panels. You're selling financial relief, energy independence, and long-term savings. Now that you understand the business model and startup costs, the next step is setting up the company properly. This is where many beginners make critical mistakes. A solar business deals with electrical systems, rooftops, customer investments, and long-term warranties. So professionalism and legal structure matter a lot. The first thing you need is a proper business registration in your country or region. Most people start with a private limited company, LLC, or another formal business structure that separates personal and business liability. After that, you'll need to understand local solar regulations. Different areas have different rules regarding electrical permits, rooftop safety standards, utility approvals, net metering policies, and installation certifications. And this is extremely important because one compliance mistake can destroy customer trust and create legal problems. You should also strongly consider business insurance from the beginning. Installation work involves physical labor, electrical systems, and property access. Insurance protects both your company and your customers. Another smart move is building relationships with local electricians, engineers, inspectors, and permit consultants early on. Even if you don't hire them immediately, these relationships become incredibly valuable as your projects grow. Remember, customers don't just buy solar systems. They buy confidence. The more organized and professional your business looks, the easier it becomes to close high-value projects. Your supplier network can make or break your business. Why? Because your reputation depends heavily on the quality of the equipment you install. Cheap, low-quality panels may save money initially, but system failures can destroy your brand reputation later. That's why successful solar firms focus on reliable suppliers, warranty support, and product consistency. You'll typically need relationships with solar panel distributors, inverter suppliers, battery providers, mounting structure manufacturers, and electrical component vendors. In the beginning, don't obsess over getting the absolute cheapest price. Instead, focus on reliability, delivery speed, technical support, and warranty terms. You also need to understand the difference between premium and budget systems so you can offer customers multiple pricing options. Some customers want the cheapest possible setup. Others are willing to pay more for higher efficiency, battery backup, and long-term durability. Your job is to guide them toward the best solution for their goals and budget. And here's something extremely important. Partnerships are one of the fastest ways to grow. You can partner with construction companies, real estate developers, architects, roofing contractors, and electrical firms. These businesses already work with customers who may need solar systems. One strong partnership can generate a steady stream of leads without spending huge amounts on advertising. Now let's talk about the biggest fear most people have. How'd I actually get customers? The truth is that solar customers are everywhere. The challenge is visibility and trust. In the beginning, your first goal is not becoming famous. Your first goal is getting proof of results. Start local. Talk to homeowners, shop owners, warehouses, schools, apartment buildings, and farms. Show them actual electricity saving calculations. Most people become interested the moment they realize how much money they might save over 5 or 10 years. This is why consultation skills matter so much. You're not simply selling hardware. You're explaining financial transformation. Social media can also become incredibly powerful for this business. You can post before and after installations, customer savings stories, educational videos about electricity bills, solar myths, and maintenance tips. Educational content builds authority. And authority builds trust. You should also create a professional website that clearly explains your services, estimated savings, warranties, and contact information. Customer testimonials become gold in this industry. One successful project can turn into multiple referrals because neighbors, relatives, and nearby businesses often become curious after seeing a working solar setup. And that referral effect can dramatically reduce your marketing costs over time. Now let's discuss the money side of the business. A solar company usually earns profit from several different areas. There's profit on equipment markup, profit on installation labor, consultation fees, maintenance contracts, battery upgrades, and sometimes long-term service agreements. But beginners often underprice themselves because they're desperate to win projects. That can become dangerous. If your margins are too low, one mistake or delayed payment can damage the entire business. You need pricing that covers equipment costs, labor, transportation, permits, marketing, maintenance support, salaries, insurance, and future growth. And as your company grows, systems become everything. You'll eventually need sales processes, customer relationship management tools, installation scheduling systems, and trained staff who can maintain quality consistently. Because scaling a solar company isn't only about getting more customers. It's about delivering projects efficiently without damaging your reputation. Many companies grow too fast and collapse because quality drops. The best solar firms focus on long-term trust instead of short-term profits. That's how they build brands that survive for years. The solar industry is one of the rare opportunities where business growth and real-world impact come together. You're helping people reduce electricity costs. You're supporting cleaner energy. And at the same time, you're building a business in a rapidly expanding market. But success in this industry doesn't come from simply buying solar panels and calling yourself a company. It comes from knowledge, trust, consistency, customer education, and execution. Start small if you need to. Learn the technical side step by step. Build relationships. Focus on delivering real value. And remember, every massive solar company once started with its very first customer. So if you've been thinking about entering the renewable energy business, this might be the perfect time to begin. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business and entrepreneurship content that can help you build real income opportunities in the modern economy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.